Today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC unit on your 2011 Toyota Sienna. It'll work for most models so long as you can find your AC low pressure line. In this particular car, the AC low pressure line is right here. It's got a black cap that has an L on it. I'll put a picture inside the video. And right here is your high pressure line. So first we're going to unscrew our low pressure line cap. And the next and only thing you're going to need is an AC recharging kit. They look like this. You can pick them up at your local hardware store or order them off of Amazon. It comes with a can of refrigerant and it comes with your gauge and your fill line. The nice thing about these is this is reusable. I'll take this off this can when it's finished and I'll throw it in the garage, and if I ever need it again, I can just buy a new can, throw this on there. To work this has a locking collar. You just pull it back and it's in the loaded position, and then you pop it onto your AC line and it'll lock in place. We'll go ahead and do that now. All right, it's seated on there nicely. I heard it pop in place. The next thing we're gonna do is we're going to start our van with the AC on, and we're gonna let it run for a few minutes. As you can see here, our gauge is reading about 35 PSI. Now that's gonna keep going down, so we're gonna wait until it settles and see what the final reading is. We'll be back when that's finished. It'll take a couple minutes. All right, we're back, and it's settled right around 30 PSI. Now, I want it to be a little bit higher, more like 40, so what we're going to do is you're going to pull the trigger and move it from the 6 o'clock to the 9 o'clock position, and then release and let it down, and then you're gonna let it settle and see where it sits at. Let's try it now. All right, I'm back. It's been about 5 minutes. Filling this with refrigerant. Again, just squeezing the handle and rotating it for a couple seconds to the 9 o'clock position. And as you can see, our gauge is saying we're sitting right around 40 PSI, right in the middle of the green. I've checked the inside. The AC was running nice and cold. So now it's just time to disconnect the hose. You grab the connection device by the locking collar and pull back. And the fill hose will remove, and all that's left to do is replace your cap. And that does it. Now I should have AC nice and cold for the rest of the summer.